Creating a 30-day fitness challenge is an exciting way to engage with your audience, stay accountable, and achieve your fitness goals. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to create your very own fitness challenge, from planning your workouts to motivating participants and tracking progress. Choose your fitness goals. Begin by deciding on the focus of your challenge. It could be building muscle, losing weight, increasing flexibility, or a combination of these. Set specific, measurable goals for yourself and your participants. Design the workout plan. Create a balanced workout plan that includes a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Plan the progression of difficulty throughout the 30 days to keep participants engaged and challenged. Prepare your materials. Record videos or write detailed instructions for each workout. Ensure the exercises are demonstrated clearly, with proper form emphasized. Consider creating a printable calendar or a digital tracker for participants to follow along. Set a start date and promote. Choose a start date and give yourself enough time to promote the challenge on social media, YouTube, or through email newsletters. Create engaging graphics and videos to attract participants and explain the benefits of joining the challenge. Engage with participants. Encourage participants to share their progress on social media using a dedicated hashtag. This builds a sense of community and accountability. Offer tips, motivation, and support throughout the challenge by posting regular updates and responding to comments. Track progress and adjust. Use feedback from participants to make any necessary adjustments to the challenge as it progresses. Celebrate milestones with your participants and offer additional motivation to keep them going. Evaluate and reflect. At the end of the challenge, gather feedback from participants to learn what worked well and what could be improved. Reflect on your personal progress and consider hosting another challenge based on your experience. Starting a 30-day fitness challenge is not just about getting fit, it's about building a community and inspiring others to reach their goals. With the right planning and dedication, your challenge can be a huge success. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing to CyberTheo.